Hi students, today we will discuss circular motion of a car on a level road. What is the maximum speed v without getting skid? That is the question to us. Look at this diagram. This is circular track. On the circular track without skidding, what is the maximum velocity of the car? That is the question to us. For safe turn, what is the maximum velocity? So now we have to study what are the forces acting on the car. This is circular track, that's why it has some radius. That radius you assume as capital R. Now the car is getting turning on the flat road, then centripetal force will act outward on the car. This is a pseudo force act outwards, that is mv square by R, centripetal force. Here one of the tire is touching the surface, so normal reaction is N1 here. And the second tire also touching the surface, here N2 is the normal reaction. Mass of the car is assumed as M, and weight is acting downward direction, which is equal to mg. Here it is getting turning, that's why outward force is centripetal force. At the same time frictional force will act inwards. From the one tire is frictional force assumed as F1, and second tire, from the second tire frictional force is F2. The both will act inwards because outwards centripetal force is acting. Now our question is safe turn, what is the maximum velocity? For that, inward force must be equal to outward force. That is frictional force equals to centripetal force. Then only it can move forward. Due to centripetal force without getting skid outwards. Here outward force mv square by R, that means centripetal force this centripetal force also call it as pseudo force, which is acting outwards, and here N1 plus N2 equals to mg. Here normal force equals to weight. Upward force, downward force both are equal. Because of that it move forward. Here N1 plus N2 balanced by the weight of the car. Here F1 is mu into N1. Here mu is the coefficient of friction between the tire and the road, mu. And for F2 also, frictional force F2 is mu N2. What is the total frictional force? F equals to F1 plus F2. Here mu N1 plus mu N2. From this mu take common N1 plus N2. It gives the total. Here N1 plus N2 equals to mg. Mu mg, which is equal to total frictional force. Let us take, this is equation 1. Frictional force and centripetal force. Centripetal force is, let us take equation 1, and this is equation 2. For safe turn, here frictional force and centripetal force must be equal. This is the condition. When the two forces are equal, then it can move safely on the road. If it is outer force is greater, that means centripetal force is greater, means it will skid outward direction. If inward force is greater, means it will not skid, because here frictional force is the self-adjusting force. If outward force, centripetal force increases, the frictional force also increases to maintain the constant position and to move in a safe turn. For safe turn, condition is frictional force which is equal to centripetal force. Inward force, outward force, both forces must be equal, then only it can move as a safe on the level road. Now what is frictional force mu mg? Centripetal force mv square by r. Here take capital R. For maximum velocity, here static friction also maximum. That friction is called limiting friction. Here frictional force is the self-adjusting force. That's why here centripetal force increases, the frictional force also increases. In both sides, mm gets cancelled. Remaining mu g is greater than or equals to v square maximum by r. Here why I am writing greater than or equals to means maximum static friction condition. Move this r that side, mu g r greater than or equals to v square maximum velocity. If you want only v maximum, square root mu g r. This is the formula for maximum velocity without skidding. Safe turn on the level road. Maximum velocity for safe turn in circular level road. Maximum velocity, if it is greater than the root mu rg, what will happen? V maximum is greater than root mu rg. In this case, velocity is maximum than the frictional force. Then here normal reaction will be 0. Then automatically it will skid outward.